So here is how you can delete old messages on the iPhone in bulk with a click of a button. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. In fact, it is actually set up inside of the settings, so we can find the main settings app, go to the apps at the bottom, and from this list, of course, we need to find the messages right here. It's all sorted alphabetically, so you'll be able to get there, scroll through the options, and you can find some things. The option we are interested in is the keep messages. So as you can see, this is for the message history. And if I click on keep messages in here, I essentially have three options. I currently have the forever option selected, meaning that my old messages never get deleted, but you can choose it to be 1 year or 30 days. This would basically mean that if I click on 1 year, only messages newer than 1 year or within the last year are going to be kept on my phone, but anything older than that will be removed. So if I click on it, you can see that it even warns me that messages older than 1 year will be permanently deleted and I can't undo this. So if you generally don't want to keep old stuff on your phone in the conversations, this is how you can remove it and set it up. The same thing for 30 days as well. If you want to approach it manually, you can as well get inside of the messages app and perhaps select the all threads like this and click on the trash to delete them, or go inside of the individual messages and perhaps scroll up to the older ones and hold down on them, click on more, and just delete multiple of them in bulk like that. And you can tap on the delete and just get it removed with these old messages, threads, and bubbles. So that's all I wanted to share and show you in this video. Let me know your thoughts about it below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.